So we had to go to the grocery store for a few things. But I'm taking the chance to organize. This is heavy. Organize the pantry. It was out of control. There was sticky honey everywhere. But this is somehow fits in the pantry.
This looks like our table at home before we left. This is our shortest travel day. We're moving from Site 47 to Site 9 in the same campground. That's all right though. We went to town and dumped our tanks, so we've got another 5 days here.
This is it right here?
That's kind of funny. This is it right here, yeah.
All right. So
we moved camp spots. We're over here on the north side of camp now. And it's a lot sunnier. This is like the bright side. Last week when we were camped at the McKenzie Bridge campground, I had a little mishap with the drone. I was trying to get some really nice shots of the McKenzie River. It was evening and there was a little bit of a breeze, and I think I actually had a broken propeller and didn't realize it at the time. Anyway, I crashed it into a tree and it bloop, went in the river. McKenzie River's a pretty fast, deep river at that point, and it was just gone. We looked up and down the bank. I went all the way down to the boat ramp. We could see the bottom, and we couldn't find the drone. I had about given up hope of ever seeing it again when I looked out into the water, and there was a grayish white object there. I looked closer, and it actually had a red light on it. So I made sure I didn't have keys in my pocket. I didn't have anything in my pocket, and I jumped in and I opened my eyes underwater because it's deep there. It's like 4 feet deep, and I saw it and I grabbed it.
that's amazing.
Yeah. So we've got the little drone. I think it's done. I think it's probably waterlogged anyway. And here it is. It still flies. The lens was getting a little bit foggy for a while, so I put it in some minute rice and with a silica gel packet in a Ziploc bag and dried it for a night or two. It's still going. After spending about 10 minutes underwater in the McKenzie River, this little thing is still operating. I'm so impressed and amazed. I was convinced I was going to have to get a new one. I love traveling with a drone. I still have the drone. Another laundry day.
Yeah, huts.
Lots of little stores and shops and the fish and chips shop.
No one's in there. here.
Pretty. Good, so far we can get the camper up this road.
We're up at the edge of the Cummings Creek Wilderness. And it's really lush and beautiful up here. We're going to do a little bit of berry hunting and check out this trail, but it's really fun. This old road has a mossy carpet running down the middle.
Salmonberry.
Sasquatch and cub. So we've got a special treat for tonight. This is our zucchini lasagna we pre-made at home. It's got a bunch of yummy ingredients. We dehydrated zucchinis. There's a lot of freeze-dried material that went in here, and sauce, and dehydrated spinach, and assembled it all at home, brought it out here. Now we're going to cook it in the cast iron on the fire and see how it comes out.
What does the plus and minus thing do?
First fire at Tillicum.
I think, yeah, so we've been here, how many nights? 5 days?
Uh-huh.
It's our first fire.
We're rehydrating the sausage and zucchini there.
So this is our dehydrated, I guess, backpacking lasagna. So we have the meat, the sauce, the zucchini, oh my gosh, everything.
And we got a nice layer of mozzarella cheese on there that's gonna melt up all delightfully. I think it's way too hot, but we'll see. A poker and tongs. Dutch oven sausage zucchini lasagna. Mm-hmm. Right, Lou?
Yum! Yum! Hey, Beck. This is so tasty. Ah, hot. nice to be here for such a long period where we've seen the weather change from really cloudy and rain and storms to really blue skies and a high of 63 and sunny and beach lounging and just really being able to soak it all in and watch the ocean go from big waves to really calm waves. That's been really, really great. Well, we should get on the road.
We probably should get on the road.
We've got places to go now.
Yeah, we've got some other stuff we want to see. We're gonna head east again, maybe head towards Wyoming for next week. So come along with us.
Stay tuned and subscribe so you can follow along.
We'll see you next week, guys.
Bye.